Hello my dear children. Children, take out your worksheet book and come to page number 36. Worksheet 35. Look at the pictures. Complete the sentences. This is a dash. Now see the picture. What is this? This is a bee. So write here B E E bee. This is a bee. Zenith likes to dash. Now see the picture. Zenith likes to dance. D-A-N-C-E dance. Zenith likes to dance. Here is an dash. Now what is this, children? Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Here is an owl. I see a dash. Now see the picture, children. Here I is the boy. Boy see a bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Look at my dash. Now what is this, children? Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Look at my cake. Now come to page number 37. Worksheet 36. Read each word. Change its first letter to get the name of the picture. Write the new word. See the first word. C-U-B. Cub. Now we have to change the first letter to get the name of the picture. So this is a tub. T-U-B. Tub. On place of C, we have written T. Cub, tub. See the next word. T-A-P. Tap. And what is this, children? Cap. C-A-P. Cap. On place of T, we have written C. Tap, cap. Next word is well. W-E-L-L. Well. And what is this, children? Bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. On place of W, we have written B. Well, bell. Next word is dish. D-I-S-H. Dish. And what is this, children? Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. On place of D, we have written F. Dish, fish. See the last word. D-O-G. Dog. And what is this, children? Log. L-O-G. Log. On place of D, we have written L. Dog, log.